Hello, baby bus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks. Tap here to experience.
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go!
Swipe left and right to collect lots of coins. Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag.